This video will show you how to assemble the Garden Patio Decor bar stool. In your packaging, you'll find everything you need to complete your bar stool assembly, including components, screws, and the hex key tool. As a general note, do not tighten the screws completely until all of them are in place. Start by placing the seat, part A, upside down. Using the hex key, attach the first of the 4 legs, part D, to the underside of the seat using 2 S1 screws. Don't tighten them completely just yet. Next, attach the first side support bar, part C, into the hole on the leg that will be the closest to the floor when seated. Secure each side with an S1 screw using the hex tool. Again, leave the screws slightly loose. Now attach the next leg on the same side, part E, to the seat using 2 S1 screws, and to the support bar, part C, using 1 S1 screw. Attach each footrest support, parts B, to the legs, using 1 S1 screw per support. Again here, do not tighten completely just yet. Next, install the 2 remaining legs, parts D and E, attaching each leg to the seat using 2 S1 screws. Then attach each leg to the footrest support using 1 S1 screw each. Do not fully tighten at this point. Finally, attach the last crossbar, part C, using 1 S1 screw on each side. Once all the screws are in place, completely tighten them. Finally, flip the bar stool upright. And that's it! Enjoy your new bar stool, and thank you for choosing Garden Patio Decor by NewTek Wood.